Hello guys from the channel of Stradale Customs. Here I am with another video of this year. Well, I feel really good to share with you two of the newest acquisitions that I have in my Hot Wheels collection, or 1 to 64 collection. These guys here. Here we have in the left side the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport from Takara Tomy. This is from new models of 2021 for the 50th anniversary of the company. And here I have this George's Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Is from the same collection of the new models from 2021 and 50 years of anniversary from Tomica. Well, I put some other cars in the back just to show you some part of my Ferrari collection, because as you know, I already share many of my cars, but this is the time for a new one. Well, first, let me open this Bugatti. Well, this will be kind of an unboxing. Must not be very difficult, but I want to do it for all of you. These cars right now is a little bit hard to get due to the situation that all the logistics and companies of sending package are facing right now. So this presents a little bit of delay for me to receive it, but well, I already got it. Actually, this plastic is really easy to open. Just maybe not to damage all of the box, because I collect also this kind of boxes. Well, let's open this amazing car. Wow, it's really nice. This is the back that usually Tomica has. Well, this is just gorgeous. It's just amazing detail. Just look in the top, this line that of course is only for the pure sport car, but just look at the front end. Totally aggressive, totally amazing. Just the layout change here in the front air diffusers. Over here I would like to this have like the side mirrors, but not. The rear spoiler is just amazing. The rear diffusers here, just really nice. This car is totally awesome. Well, usually I always get two of them, one for open and the other to have it like this. So well, now we have this amazing Bugatti here, and let's pass to the amazing Ferrari one. Actually, this plastic is really easy to open. Just like this, one side, the other, kind of a candy, and then the plastic is just broken. Well, here is the box, amazing. Of course, Ferrari here, and let's open. I just wanted to see this amazing car. Oh, this has additional protection box. This is nice. Wow, so this Ferrari has more like care for these cars. It's totally awesome. Just look at this model, really nice. Just look at the front, amazing. How these new headlights, the design of the front bonnet, this kind of red and black color detail is just great. The lower diffuser here, it has one here and the other here. Of course, the aerodynamics here the rear side of the doors, Ferrari logo here, and here the engine, middle engine, and of course the rear. This exhaust pipe looks really nice. Actually, I think that the tail lights are additional plastic. It's different from the let's say like the casting, and the diffuser are amazing. This is the lower area of the car. In here, this doesn't have the Ferrari name, similar to the Bugatti. This one doesn't have the name in the car, just in the package. Well, for the Ferrari, I think that I just wanted to name or show how this is a Ferrari LaFerrari from Hot Wheels. The scale must be similar, but here this car shows that this is 1:62, so it's a little bit bigger, but I think it's really accurate, and for the collection it's really nice. But here you can see that the Tomica car is bigger in the general dimension. That's why sometimes the customs in these cars looks better. And well, just the comparison in the front end. This car has this diffuser here, similar to LaFerrari. Also the lower diffuser is similar. Pretty nice. But I think this SF90 Stradale is between LaFerrari and 488, but has some details similar to both cars. For example, here I have this old Ferrari that is 458 Italian. I think this is in some way bigger than the LaFerrari, but anyway this is continue being bigger. But in general, this is more, the shape is following this one. For example, the rear view, I just imagine how this car will look in a GT concept, with the rear spoiler, more like modification in the front diffuser over here. This cool looks amazing, I think. Well, this is the today video about this unboxing of these two amazing cars, the Bugatti and Ferrari SF90. Well, I hope this video likes to you guys. Please continue supporting the channel. I will continue sharing more content, more customs. For today was the time for these two amazing cars that actually are really good addition for my collection. I think for the next video I will show more Ferraris and the collection that I have about Bugattis. And just for today, please check this Ferrari 5 package that I have. Actually it's custom made, because the original one is this one in the left, that it has Ferrari F50, F14. It's a Ferrari Scuderia 430. The white one I don't remember. This one is a Spider Italian. This black Enzo is really nice, and these two packages that I show here are custom because I just modify the cars and put in Ferrari package. For example, in the right side we have these old ones, the first Testarossa, GT, another F50, another Enzo, this one FXX, F12 Berlinetta, another Spider Italia, and Italia number 2. Well, this is another part of my Ferrari collection. I have many other cars open, as you can see here. Actually, I'm planning to modify this Ferrari. I already made one video for this car, but I wanted to make it with all the parts open, like the 2 doors, rear engine, hood, and the front bonnet, with all opening parts. And well, here is another custom that I made in the past. This is a Ferrari Testarossa. This came in white color, but I decided to change the tires for real riders and modify some other details like the interiors, etc. So as I said, this new Ferrari will be a very nice addition to my collection, and I will continue sharing more and more cars that I have, and I continue getting through this year. And maybe you remember that I was working in some other cars that a customer from me requested me. I will show you some very fast advance that I'm doing right now. This is the SUV that I was working on. That is Rolls Royce. Actually, this is the advance. This is the wide body advance, because most looks like some kind of GT. Actually, the bonnet also will be modified, but needs more detailing in the bonnet. As I mentioned in the past, this car can open and close all the doors, so it looks really nice, really awesome. So I continue working in this amazing car, because in the rear area I will add this kind of diffusers, change exhaust pipes, and also I need to add some different rear spoiler here in the top. So this is the advance for this guy here, that is gonna be an amazing custom. So as I say, please continue checking the channel and please share your comments. See you and have a nice day.